So guys, first method, uninstall the problematic graphic card tool. Click to start and go to setting. Then click to app. Then go to install app. So like Gigabyte App Center and Gigabyte all install apps, so you have to uninstall it. This is might be some getting some error like that, that's why it's coming error. Okay, find out Gigabyte App Center, Gigabyte like that, and find that and just right click to uninstall like and uninstall. Okay, then next click to start, disable memory integrity. So click to start setting, click to privacy setting, you can see here last second last, then click to Windows security. Okay, then click to, you can see here, device security, core isolations, click, and if this is on, so please, okay, just click and then close. Then next method, hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point, how to restore. So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all uh, auto and manual, this is type. Okay, then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it. So guys, next method, scan sfc scan, how to run it your system. So this is command I will give in descriptions. So click to start and type run cmd and just right click to run as administrator, then click to yes. Then you can see this is 4 command, and if it is, do not copy paste from YouTube description, so you have to enter manually one by one. Okay, so please note which is small and capital and all. First is start. Then guys, second one, which is check health. Okay, DSM online check health, and you can copy. If it is not happening, so you have to enter the manual. Okay, like that, DSM space slash online and then hit enter. Okay, second one command. So it is completed. Then next, third one, scan health, you can see, and then again hit enter. Now you can see here it will start automatically percentage, and wait few seconds, it will complete. Then last, restore health. Then guys, fourth one, which is restore health, you can see here you can enter like DMS and all, and please note small and capital. Okay, restore point, restore health, and then hit enter. Again guys, you have to wait. Okay, some start the percentage, it will complete. After that you can see here